This here's our Whirlpool dishwasher. It has developed a small leak at the bottom here. I've got a little drip tray to catch the water as it drips out during cycles. I found that it's a grommet, actually right here, that I've purchased. A grommet at the circulation pump that is leaking. So we are going to get this new one in there that I've received and see if it fixes it. All right, so I got the sump out of the dishwasher here. This is where the circulation motor would connect to in the grommet, and that is where we have our leak. I've got a replacement part right here. You can see it's exact fit as far as dimensions go here. So we're gonna go ahead and get this installed. All right, so I got the grommet out of our sump here where our wash motor was connected to. You can see this is the old one, this is the new one. Visually, they look the same. Dimensionally, they are the same. They fit right on top of each other perfectly. So this looks like this will be a great replacement, and we're gonna get it installed and see if it fixes the issue. All right, I've been running a couple of the cycles here, no signs of drippage. It looks like the grommet fixed the issue. It was a identical replacement, worked well. Highly recommended if you're in a similar situation.